Khenang ban kyntiew ya ka kam khaii pateng happeneng kinong shong shnong ka rilum jaintia but kinong shong shnong ka Bangladesh ka sunjuk ki wahi shnong ri jaintia kila dawa ban thau no ya ka wekalan custom station ni ki LCS ha East Giant Hills District but ka wei par ha ka shnong Muktapur jong ka West Giant Hills District. Ka sunjuk kalapun pau ya ka ni ka jingdawa ha ka dorkas bala Aisha umintri rangba ka jela ukonrat ki sangma ha orchid in thalasken hak arpoi trik ubna jemang mentau snam. Ha ka te ka dorkas ka sunjuk kala ong baka rilum jaintia ka de ka than ka blasha kerkhu kerpang da unong bu nong thau namar ka than ka don ki marpo khndo ha ba ka sorkar jela kala kama shibun sha da ka lum khajna ha ki te ki marpo khndo ki bashalan sha Bangladesh lingba ka dauki tamabil. Ka dorkas kalapun pau ka jingsngo diaw halor ka jingslam jong ka tho khana summary ne census namar ka jingta jong ka kalam covid bat ka te ka jingslam kala ta klai ki baduk pasung bat ka sunjuk kala dawa ya ka jingstang no mardor jong ka te ka jingtho census. Umintri rangba ulakular ban khmi bania halor ki te ki jingdawa jong ka sunjuk.
I also met the members of the Sinjuk Waheshnong Regentia, and they had mentioned about details and some issues in the MG and REGA work that can be taken up, for example, retaining walls and fencing. So they are requesting that those works should be allowed to be taken up under the MG and REGA scheme. We'll definitely examine this and see the possibility. They've also urged us to also look at the trade expansion in the border areas towards Bangladesh. Of course, situation in Bangladesh is not proper right now for trade, but as and when it improves, at least the overall infrastructure, the manpower and the facilities should be improved so that the trade can expand in the future with Bangladesh and of course with the rest of the world. They have also requested for support in having the census to be started at the earliest, because we're still in the 2011 census. They also have requested that the amount for the PMAY be increased, which of course is a central government scheme, and they've also asked for manpower in terms of the different rescue and trained professionals to be able to help during different natural calamities. So therefore we are examining this aspect also. So all the points mentioned by them will be definitely examined in a positive manner.